Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Journey TV. This is the place where you can improve your English naturally, confidently, and step by step. On this channel, you will learn English through easy stories, listening practice, daily conversations, and real-life English expressions. Our goal is simple. We want to help you speak English naturally, without fear. Remember something important. You do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. You only need practice, patience, and confidence. Every day you listen to English, your brain becomes stronger. Every sentence you hear helps your pronunciation improve. Every minute of practice brings you closer to fluency. So relax your mind, take a deep breath, and enjoy this English listening practice. Today's lesson is called Get Addicted to English. This lesson will help you think in English, speak naturally, and become more confident every single day. Now, let's begin. Many people want to speak English fluently. They dream about speaking confidently in conversations. They want to travel without fear. They want to understand movies, music, and interviews. But many learners feel nervous when speaking English. Sometimes they are afraid of making mistakes. Sometimes they feel shy. Sometimes they think their English is not good enough. But the truth is simple. Every fluent English speaker once started as a beginner. Nobody becomes fluent overnight. Fluency is built slowly through practice and repetition. The secret to improving English is consistency. If you practice a little every day, your English will improve naturally. Even 10 minutes of listening practice can help your brain become familiar with English sounds and sentence patterns. Small progress every day becomes big progress over time. That is how language learning works. Many learners spend years studying grammar rules, but when they try to speak, they become nervous. Why? Because speaking is a skill. Reading grammar books alone is not enough. You must listen to English regularly. You must hear natural conversations. You must train your ears. When babies learn language, they listen first. For many months, babies only listen. Then, slowly, they begin speaking simple words. Language learning works the same way for adults. The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes. That is why listening practice is extremely important. Your brain slowly adapts to English rhythm, pronunciation, and sentence structure. At first, English may sound fast and confusing, but over time, your listening improves naturally. One day, you suddenly realize something amazing. You understand more than before. This happens because your brain is learning quietly in the background. Never underestimate the power of listening practice. English is everywhere in today's world. People use English in airports, schools, businesses, hotels, social media, and international communication. English connects people from different countries. Even when two people have different native languages, they often use English to communicate. Learning English can open many opportunities. It can help you travel more confidently. It can help you find better jobs. It can help you meet new people around the world. Most importantly, English gives you access to information. You can watch educational videos. You can read articles. You can understand podcasts and interviews. The internet becomes much bigger when you understand English. That is why millions of people continue learning English every day. But remember something important. You do not need to sound perfect. You only need to communicate clearly. Many learners worry too much about grammar mistakes. They stop speaking because they want perfect sentences. But communication matters more than perfection. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal is not perfection. The goal is confidence and communication. Simple English is powerful. You do not need complicated vocabulary to sound natural. For example, instead of saying, "I am experiencing emotional exhaustion," you can simply say, "I feel tired." Short and simple sentences are easier to understand. Native speakers often use simple language in daily conversations. That is why practicing simple English is very effective. Another important skill is pronunciation. Many learners understand English but feel uncomfortable speaking. This is normal. Pronunciation improves through repetition. The more you hear English, the more your pronunciation improves naturally. One useful method is shadowing. Shadowing means repeating after native speakers immediately. Listen carefully to pronunciation and rhythm. Then repeat the sentence aloud. For example, how are you doing today? Repeat, how are you doing today? Copy the sound, copy the rhythm, copy the pronunciation. This trains your speaking muscles and improves fluency. At first, it may feel difficult, but after regular practice, speaking becomes smoother. Confidence grows through repetition. Another useful habit is thinking in English. Many learners translate everything from their native language into English. This slows down speaking. Instead, try thinking directly in English. Start with very simple thoughts. For example, I'm hungry. I need coffee. It's raining outside. I feel tired today. These small thoughts train your brain to use English naturally. At first, this feels strange, but over time, your brain adapts. Thinking in English is one of the biggest steps toward fluency. It helps you react faster during conversations. It also reduces fear while speaking. Daily habits are extremely important for language learning. You do not need to study 5 hours every day. Small, consistent habits are more effective. For example, listen to English while walking. Watch short English videos before sleeping. Read simple English stories. Practice speaking alone. Even talking to yourself in English helps. You can describe your daily activities. For example, I'm making breakfast. I'm cleaning my room. I'm going to work. These small practices strengthen your English naturally. Consistency is more important than intensity. Some people study hard for 1 week and then stop for 1 month. This slows progress. Language learning is like exercise. Your brain becomes stronger through repetition. Even when improvement feels slow, progress is still happening. Never compare yourself to others. Everyone learns differently. Some people improve quickly, others improve slowly. Both are normal. The important thing is continuing. Every day you practice, you move forward. Movies and music are also excellent learning tools. Movies help you hear real conversations and natural pronunciation. At first, you may not understand everything. That is okay. Focus on understanding the general meaning. Over time, your listening improves. Music can also help memory. Songs repeat words and phrases many times. This helps vocabulary stay in your mind longer. You can listen to English songs while reading lyrics. Repeat sentences slowly. Learning becomes easier when you enjoy the process. That is very important. Enjoyment increases motivation. If learning feels stressful all the time, it becomes harder to continue. So make English part of your lifestyle. Watch content you enjoy. Listen to topics you like. Choose lessons that make you feel motivated. The more positive your experience becomes, the more addicted you become to English. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles for language learners. Many people are afraid of speaking. They worry about pronunciation. They worry about grammar mistakes. They worry about embarrassment. But mistakes are normal. Every mistake teaches something valuable. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you may fall many times, but eventually, balance becomes natural. Speaking English works the same way. Confidence develops through experience. Do not wait until your English becomes perfect before speaking. Start now. Even simple sentences are powerful. For example, hello, how are you? My name is David. I'm learning English. These small conversations build confidence. Confidence grows slowly. One conversation at a time, one sentence at a time. One day you will notice something surprising. You begin understanding English automatically. You stop translating every sentence. Speaking becomes easier. This transformation happens gradually. That is why patience is important. Fluency takes time. There will be difficult days. Sometimes you may feel frustrated. Sometimes progress feels slow. But never quit. Every minute of listening helps your brain. Every sentence you practice improves your speaking. Even when you don't notice improvement immediately, your brain is still learning. Trust the process. One day you will look back and realize how far you have come. The English that once felt impossible becomes natural. The fear that once stopped you disappears. The confidence you wanted finally arrives. English can truly change your life. It can create opportunities. It can help you travel. It can help you communicate with people around the world. Language connects humanity. It allows us to share ideas, emotions, and experiences. When you improve your English, your world becomes bigger. You understand more information. You become more independent. You feel more connected to the world. This journey is not only about language, it is also about personal growth. You become more confident, more patient, more disciplined. Learning English teaches persistence, and persistence creates success. So continue practicing every day. Listen regularly, speak without fear, and enjoy the process. Remember, you do not need to become perfect. You only need to continue improving. Step by step, day by day, sentence by sentence. Your English is getting stronger, your confidence is growing, and your future opportunities are expanding. Believe in yourself. Stay patient, stay consistent, and continue your English journey. Thank you for listening to English Journey TV. If you enjoyed this lesson, continue practicing English every single day. Your fluency journey has already begun.